Hey everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you my journey of learning Python in just 30 days. If you're interested in learning a new programming language or want to know how I did it, then keep watching. So, why did I choose Python? Python is a versatile and beginner-friendly programming language that's widely used in various industries, such as web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, and more. It's also known for its readability and simplicity, which makes it a great choice for beginners. In the first week, I focused on learning the basics of Python, such as variables, data types, loops, and conditional statements. I also familiarized myself with Python's syntax and coding style. During the second week, I learned about functions, which are reusable pieces of code that perform a specific task. I also explored Python's built-in modules and learned how to import and use them in my programs. In week 3, I delved into object-oriented programming, a programming paradigm that uses objects and classes to organize code. I learned about inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation, which are key concepts in object-oriented programming. In the final week, I explored advanced Python topics, such as file handling, exception handling, and working with libraries like NumPy and Pandas. I also started working on small projects to apply my newly acquired skills.
Follow this 30-day Build Your Resume and Applying Company. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.